Oh, it's a gorgeous day. My hair is doing some crazy things right now, honey.
Oh my God. It's fine. It's fine. I'm pregnant.
I'm pregnant, it's fine. So we're gonna go to Lockhart, have some barbecue with my brother and my dad today, and my sister-in-law, who I have yet to meet. So this will be an awesome day. Show a whole lot of our trip to get barbecue, as I was visiting with my brother and my sister-in-law, who I had not met yet, and filling my face with the delicious barbecue. But we did take the toll road down there past the Tesla plant that they just opened. The thing is huge, and I got Duke out. He really wanted to come out and hang out today. So I got Duke. Can you say hi to the camera? Or are you gonna be weird? There you go. Look at that derpy little face. He's all colored up right now, real pretty green. He's usually darker than this, but yeah, afterwards we went to go eat. We dropped my dad back off at his house and came home. And so it was a real short trip, but thankfully Heather got to go, I got to go, and Martin and his wife got to go. So it was really nice to have a dinner with them. But it's just a real short video about going to eat barbecue in Lockhart. Smitty's has been there for a really long time. It used to be called Kreitz's Market. The family split, and so Kreitz's Market is now down the road. They got to keep the name, but they didn't get to keep the recipes, and Smitty's got to keep the original location, but not the name. So Martin wanted to go to Smitty's. That's where we've always gone, and they were out of pork chops. Tear. Anyways, that's really all we got for today, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me and Duke today. I don't really get Duke out very often, but we've been really working on handling, and he now lets me touch him without hissing at me, but he's definitely not a fan. So we just let him chill, and he's doing great, aren't you, Duke? See, he colored down, got a little dark when I did that, but really, guys, that's all we got for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, we'll see you on the next video. Peace. Can you say goodbye, Duke? Bye. And then that's a pepper plant. An arrow.
So in here, this we plant cucumbers, zucchini, sweet peas.
Nice.